Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Traxian 3700 Pro Gear Foldable Topside Automotive Engine Creeper. This product features a tall working height of up to 75 inches, making it ideal for working on larger vehicles like trucks and SUVs. Its eye-based design offers added flexibility when positioning the creeper around your vehicle, and the padded deck ensures comfort even during extended work sessions. The foldable design makes it convenient to store, and it comes with 2 locking casters to keep it stable while in use. When it comes to design, the 3700 is built with durability in mind. The steel frame feels solid and stable, and the padded deck is upholstered, making it easy to replace if needed. However, at 75 pounds, it's one of the heavier options on this list, which can make maneuvering a bit challenging. The 140-inch engine compartment accessibility is a great feature for those who need extra reach, but it may not be necessary for smaller vehicles. While the performance is solid, the weight and size might make it less appealing for users who need a more portable option. Additionally, with a customer rating of 4.1 stars, it's clear that this product has some drawbacks compared to others on the list. Overall, it's a good choice for professionals working on larger vehicles, but there are lighter and more versatile options available. At number 4, we have the Hakasa Top Automotive Creeper. This creeper is designed for comfort and durability, featuring a padded deck that allows you to work on engines for extended periods without discomfort. It has an adjustable height range of 50 to 67 inches, making it versatile enough to handle cars, trucks, and SUVs. The foldable design is a great space saver, and the rust-proof, powder-coated steel frame ensures long-lasting durability. In terms of design and build quality, the Hakasa Creeper impresses with its premium steel construction and smooth rolling casters. While it weighs in at a moderate 66.1 pounds, it's still easy to maneuver thanks to its swivel caster wheels. The 400-pound weight capacity is a standout feature, making it suitable for a wide range of users. However, with only one customer review giving it a perfect 5-star rating, it's hard to gauge its long-term reliability compared to more established options. This creeper is a good middle ground option for those who want a balance of durability, comfort, and portability. It's ideal for DIYers and professionals alike, but its lack of user feedback and slightly heavier weight keep it from climbing higher on our list. If you're looking for a sturdy, comfortable creeper and don't mind being an early adopter of a newer product, this could be a great choice. Coming in at number 3 is the Traxian 3100 Foldable Topside Automotive Engine Creeper. This product is one of the most versatile options on our list, with an adjustable height range of 48 to 64 inches in 6-inch increments. The padded deck ensures comfort during long work hours, and the foldable design allows for easy storage. With a 400-pound weight capacity and 4 swivel casters, including 2 locking ones, this creeper is both sturdy and easy to maneuver. The build quality of the 3100 is excellent, with a steel frame that feels robust and durable. Weighing 70 pounds, it strikes a good balance between stability and portability. Its customer rating of 4.7 stars from over 1,200 reviews speaks to its reliability and user satisfaction. However, its slightly older design, first available in 2014, means it lacks some of the modern features found in newer models, like the eye-based design for added flexibility. This creeper is ideal for those who want a proven product with a strong track record. It's perfect for both home garages and professional shops, offering a great mix of comfort, durability, and ease of use. If you're looking for a dependable option that's been tested by thousands of users, the Traxian 3100 is a fantastic choice. In the number 2 spot, we have the Traxian New Quality Economy Topside Creeper 3106. This model is designed with user convenience in mind, featuring expanded metal steps for added stability, Velcro stomach pads for comfort, and built-in tool loops for easy access to your tools while you work. Its adjustable height and padded deck make it a versatile and comfortable option for a range of vehicle types. At just 55 pounds, this is one of the lighter creepers on our list, making it easy to move and position. Despite its lighter weight, it boasts a solid 350-pound weight capacity, and the robust construction ensures durability. The 4 swivel casters, including 2 with brakes, make maneuvering and locking the creeper in place a breeze. With a customer rating of 4.5 stars, it's clear that this model has been well received since its recent release in late 2023. This creeper offers great value for its features and is ideal for DIYers and budget-conscious mechanics. The added tool loops and stomach pads make it a convenient option for longer projects, though its slightly lower weight capacity and simpler design keep it from taking the top spot. Overall, it's a fantastic choice for those who want a lightweight, user-friendly solution. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Traxian 3200 NXT Foldable Topside Automotive Engine Creeper. This model is the ultimate combination of comfort, durability, and modern design. Featuring an ergonomic padded deck, the 3200 NXT is perfect for long hours of work. Its adjustable height range of 48 to 64 inches offers more points of adjustment than previous models. And the eye-based design allows for flexible positioning around vehicles and other equipment. The build quality is top-notch, with an alloy steel frame that feels incredibly sturdy. Despite its 77-pound weight, the creeper is easy to move thanks to its swivel casters. And 2 locking casters ensure stability. The foldable design makes it easy to store when not in use, and the 400-pound weight capacity means it's suitable for almost all users. With a 4.4-star rating from over 200 reviews, this creeper has proven itself as a reliable and versatile choice. The Traxian 3200 NXT is perfect for both professionals and DIYers who want a high-quality, all-around performer. While it's slightly heavier than some other models, its added stability and advanced features make it well worth the trade-off. If you're looking for the best of the best, the Traxian 3200 NXT is the clear winner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions about these products, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.